back to another video. Today I'm going to be testing a bath bomb kit. This is the bath bomb kit I'm going to be testing. It is a very heavy box. It is from DIY Gifts. It makes 12 or more bath bombs. It has scents. It's all natural, and we're going to try it. I have everything laid out here, and so pretty much I am going to mix all the bags together and then add in scents, then put them in cupcake holders in the pan in front of you. So first off, I need 1 cup of baking soda. I'm just going to pour it into the bowl, and then I'm going to go over my next ingredient. Now I need half a cup of citric acid. This is mainly because it will make the bath bomb fizz. I'm just going to pour this in, and then we'll be on to our next ingredient. Now we're just going to add in another half cup of cornstarch to the mix. This cornstarch is very loose and is very hard to work with, and it is getting everywhere. You can see little dust clouds of cornstarch in the air. But it's kind of going in. Now you need half a cup of Epsom salt. Now I have all 4 of my dry ingredients in, and it's looking really white. Now I'm just going to mix it up a little bit so that it doesn't get too salt on the top when I add in the next ingredients. Now I need 2.5 tablespoons of oil. It recommended almond or coconut oil, but I do not have those, so I'm going to do vegetable oil. It's also good for your skin, as is the other 2. Now that the oil's in, I'm just going to mix everything together until it's all completely mixed and you can't see any oil. So the recipe ends up calling for 100 spritz of water. So gave you this little spray bottle that you filled up with water, and now you have to spray it 100 times as you mix it. See you guys in a bit. So after 2.5 minutes of that, now you put on your gloves and you just stir around it until it's in a form where it will clump when you squeeze it and shape it. So now there are 4 bottles of essential oils that you can add in to scent it. Don't know which one's going to taste yet, but I know they have a lavender one, and lavender is one of my favorite scents, so I'm probably going to go with lavender. So I am going to do a mix of lavender and lemongrass. So this one right now is lemongrass. I'm just going to add in a bunch of that, and then there's lavender. So now after a lot of mixing, I'm going to get ready to add it into the container. So pretty much the package comes with a bunch of cupcake holders, so I'm just going to fill up this tray with them, and then I'm going to put in the dough or batter. I don't really know what to call the bath bomb mix without referring it kind of to a baking thing. So I'm just going to put these all in, and then I'm going to scoop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up. I will be posting a part 2 because they need 2 days to dry, and there's not enough time from when I filmed this to when the video is going to come out. So sometime before next Thursday, the 27th of February, the video will be posted, and you will see me testing the bath bomb, and I'll show you guys the results, and I will talk about it a little bit. Bye!